What's going on, guys? I'm Fuller with Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube, and there isn't too much more I can show you of my living room, but I keep trying to switch up the angles so you can get a different view. But anyways, today we thought it'd be fun to go over actually some of the most expensive lift kits that you'll be able to find on our website, because it's just kind of exciting to see what's all out there and what exists possibly for your vehicle. So we did this with wheels, like the Ultimate Dream wheels and whatnot, a couple days ago, so we figured might as well do the same thing with lift kits. And just kind of show you guys what's out there. Now, if you don't want something that's super crazy, we obviously have the regular stuff, you know, your typical 3, 4, 5, 6-inch lift kits on the website too, but some of these might be kind of surprising, so we figured we'd jump into it. I'm going to start on the cheapest side as far as this list goes, and I just did top 5. So first one we're looking at is actually a Mccoys kit, and it's their 10-inch kit, 10-inch premium kit for the 2014 and 2018 Dodge Ram 2500. So I actually saw this truck at SEMA that they use in the photos, and it was pretty intense. So this particular kit, actually one of the unique things about it is that it ships raw and unfinished so that you can powder coat it or paint it whatever color you want. It comes with pretty much every single thing that you need, which most lift kits, honestly, that you find on our website are going to be the bolt-on, direct installation, no extra parts required kind of stuff. So just like looking through the details of the kit and what it comes with, it's front upper 4-link arms, front lower 4-link arms, the frame mounts, 10-inch front coils, adjustable front track bar, drop pitman arms, bump stops, brake lines, front drive line spacers, upper shock mounts, 30-inch, almost 30-inch long front shocks, and the list kind of goes on and on. So it's a pretty intense kit that comes with a lot of different stuff, but when you pay $6,700 for the kit, that's kind of what you can expect. Next on the list is an FTS lift kit. Now, FTS is pretty much like the company that people know of when it comes to really big lift kits. So we're looking at a 15-inch lift kit. This is for the 07 to 13 GM 1500 trucks, the particular one that I pulled up. And this is just their basic kit. So you're going to see that it's actually primarily just the same as what you'd find in a 6-inch kit, but the spacers are absolutely massive and the drop cross member is absolutely huge too. Now, this is a complete drop-down kit, 100% bolt-on. So basically what that means is it drops your whole front differential and everything the full 15 inches, so you actually still have correct angles, believe it or not, because it drops all your driveline components down far enough. Brake lines included on here. It's 1/4-inch thick steel cross members, so pretty heavy duty. It drops the whole steering rack and all that stuff too. So again, it's a complete kit. And FTS is also known for being a little bit pricey, but the 15-inch for the 07 to 13 Chevy and GM 1500 trucks is $6,900, which I guess in the grand scheme of things you'll see here is not the most expensive on the list anyway. Next one we're going to take a look at is from Fabtech. So this is one of those like regular brands that you've heard us talk about before. You know, it's the Rough Country, VDS, Fabtech, Zone. Like those are kind of the big names when it comes to lift kits. And this kit we've actually used in the shop before. So this is the Fabtech 10-inch radius arm kit with the Dirt Logic coilover. So it's a 4.0 coilover. It's very heavy duty, very big, and it has the rear Dirt Logic shocks as well. This particular one that I'm looking at is for the 08 to 2010 F250 four-wheel drive trucks. So complete coilovers up front with the new coilover mounting hoops or shock hoops, whatever you want to call them, which actually look pretty intense. I just like the way they look. You need them for function, but they look cool too. Full tubular structure that's strengthened by dimple die side plates, adjustable alignment cam, all that good stuff, relocation brackets, pitman arms, sway bar drops, replacement leaf springs. You can kind of see what's all included just by looking at the pictures, and you can see that it's a pretty intense kit, and it's really cool radius arms too. They have like a nice design on them. They're not just plain boring basic steel, and again comes with absolutely everything that you need, but you pay about $7,000 for it, which actually for a 10-inch lift kit that's, you know, 4.0 coilovers, I think it's relatively decent. So the last FTS kit that we looked at was a basic kit. Now I wanted to pull up the coilover kit. So for an example here, I just pulled up the 07 to 13, it's actually, I think it's 08 for the SUVs, but it's the GM SUV 15-inch lift kit. So this is like the Tahoe, the Suburban, Escalade, Yukons, all that stuff. This kit works on all of them, and it's an absolutely massive coilover kit. So you can see from looking at photos of the parts, it's actually a relatively simple kit. There's not a whole lot going on to it, but that's really all you need. And again, it's complete drop down, which means it drops your steering rack, it drops the front differential, and everything you need so that you can just bolt this kit on and go. So that's pretty awesome. Again, same 1/4-inch thick steel, lifetime warranty, you know, all that good stuff. Fairly expensive. This kit is $10,000, a little bit over $10,000, but you get a 15-inch kit and you're gonna slap it on your Escalade and it's gonna be pretty awesome. So the most expensive kit on our website, after we just looked at 10-inch kits and 15-inch kits, and there's a lot of 8-inch coilover kits out there, you're probably expecting, oh boy, all right, so the most expensive one ever. Entire website, most expensive, it's probably gonna be 24 inches or something like that, absolutely insane, and it's not. It actually is as low as a 1-inch lift kit. It's for the 2017 and up, so the second gen Ford Raptors. It's the Icon 1-3 Stage 4 suspension kit. So this is like a complete suspension system with performance in mind. It's remote reservoir coilovers, triple tube, external bypass shocks, full leaf spring replacements, and just a list of parts that are included that is 3 miles long. Hydraulic rear bump stops, 3.0 series 3-tube bypass shock kit, like I said, billet aluminum upper control arms, and 3.0 series coilover shock kits too. So it's pretty intense and basically made so that you can drive 100 miles an hour through the desert. So that's actually the most expensive kit. It was kind of surprising to see that one of the most expensive kits is actually one of the smaller kits on the website, but we understand not everybody wants these big lift kits. If you're looking for just a regular lift kit for your vehicle, I'm sure we got you covered at customoffsets.com. But if you want to dream a little bit and see what's out there, or you're trying to blow your new stimulus check, or you want to take advantage of the financing that's as low as 0% APR, we got that all. You don't have to spend 10 grand just to get the financing. You can do it on whatever you want. We'll probably get you covered there. So check us out, customoffsets.com. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace.